Hi lovelies, it's Erica with Theebeautybuff and welcome back to my channel. If you enjoy a channel full of beauty, fashion, and lifestyle, then this could be the channel for you. Please subscribe below, hit the notification bell so you won't miss any of my future videos, and give me a thumbs up if you enjoy makeup, lifestyle, and fashion videos. On this channel, we just like to relax and let loose and get away from the everyday grind. So if you would with me, taking a good deep breath, exhale, and let's get to this video. On today's video, I'm just going to share with you a couple of looks using the new Pat McGrath Mothership Rose Decadence palette. It's very pretty. It has the roses in the front, the Pat McGrath logo. When you open it up, it has a mirror here. And then 6 colors. I did purchase this from the Pat McGrath site. And then I also purchased these 3 lip shines. And then I'll show you in the video. I'll try them on and give you like some lip swatches. I'll put the prices of these items below along with the palette. So the 2 looks you're going to see in this video, one is going to be this soft everyday look that you can wear to work. And the second look is just going to be a more vibrant, flashy, colorful, maybe smoky look, something that you can wear at night. Alright lovely, so I'm going to do a makeup look using this new palette that I've gotten from Pat McGrath, and it is the Mothership Rose Decadence. And then I have some swatches here on my arm. So I'm just going to do a full face and I'll run you through that really quick, and then once I start on the eyes I'll slow it down and talk through it as I go. And if you ever want me to walk you through my foundation routine, then just let me know in the comments. Okay, so I'm about to do my eyes. I do my eyes first before I do my foundation and my face makeup. So I'm just going to go ahead and do that, and then I'll finish the rest of my face. And then I'm going to try to do 2 eye looks. So for the first look, I'm just going to do like an everyday look, something you can wear to work or just out running errands, something really quick. The first color I'm going to start out with is Peach Dust. And that's this middle color here. And I'm just going to put that in my transition and crease. It's blending out really smooth and it has very good color payoff. I prime my eyes with the NARS concealer in Caramel. So that's just from dipping in with the brush once. Just going to go back over it and make it a little deeper. So as you see, that did build up really good. And it's very smooth. It's a nice rosy pink color. I like it. Soft. You can build it up even more to make it more vibrant if you want, but like I say, I'm just doing a everyday look, something you can wear to work. So I think that's blended out pretty good. So for the next color, I'm going to go in with this color Scandalous, which is here. So I'm just going to take Scandalous from like 2/3 of my eyelid, from the middle towards the end of the eyelid. First, I'm going to try it without wetting the brush. And that's the color without wetting the brush. And then I'm going to take Scandalous again, and I'm just going to wet my brush with this ColourPop All-Star Setting Spray. And it made it much more vibrant. But it's still smooth. So for the final color, which I'm going to take from the inner corner to the first 1/3 of my eyelid, I'm going to use Pink Champagne. And this is Pink Champagne. And then I'm just going to wet my brush from the beginning. Well, actually, I'll go in dry and see how it looks first. Just making sure to blend in with the Scandalous color. And that's Pink Champagne in the inner corner and the first third of the eyelid. So now I'm going to go on and wet the brush. And then that one also is more vibrant when you wet the brush. And it's still smooth as well. So I'm just going to go back in and blend around the edges. So that's it for the eyes right now. I'm going to finish my face makeup and then I'll come back and finish the eyes. So while I'm baking, I'm going to go and finish my under eye. And then I'm just going to take Peach Dust again. And this is optional. You don't have to do this. This might be too much for some of you going to work. If it is, you can just keep it like this eye, which is like simple, very soft look. And so that's with peach dust under my eyes. Gonna line the inner part of my eyes with a lighter color just to make it pop, make my eyes look a little wider. I don't know if you can tell, that's with the liner, this is without the liner. Just makes your eyes look more open. Lastly, for the eyes, I'm just going to put mascara on my lower lashes. And one last thing, I'm just going to add an inner highlight color. So, my camera shut off again. Not sure what you saw, but this is the finished eye look. Like I said, it's natural, it's soft, something you can wear to work, something you can wear out to brunch, just something like a daytime look. See if I lower the light if you can see it a little bit better. And then I'm going to try the Pat McGrath lip shines. So the first one I'm going to try is Nude Venus. And it's Lip Shine 591. Just lift it up here. And it slides out. Looks like this. It's very pretty. It's like that rose gold packaging, like the Mothership 8. And it just has the gold lips here. So you see the rose gold, the Mothership 8 palette, and these are the lip shines. So they're kind of similar, being that it's like rose gold, that mirrored color. So I'm going to try Nude Venus first without a liner. Ooh, very creamy. And that's Nude Venus on my lips. It's like kind of like a sheer nudish pink color. Feels very good on the lips, very moisturizing. Next up, I'm going to try Lip Shine Bella More in 594. It looks kind of fuchsia on the lips. It's very creamy as well, very moisturizing. Has really good color payoff. That's pretty as well. And the last lip shine I'm going to try is Temptress 595. Oh, this is pretty too. This one is more like a reddy, kind of dark watermelon color. But it's very pretty as well. So I like all three. I think Nude Venus is my favorite just because it's like a nudie soft color. And then I like the really bright fuchsia color, which was Belle Amour. That would be my second favorite out of the ones that I purchased. So I'm just going to touch up my foundation around my mouth, and I'm going to end the look off with the Nude Venus. Okay, so I'm going to finish the look off with Buff as my liner by Pat McGrath. And then I'm going to place Nude Venus over that. Very rosy, soft, pink look. Like I said, this would be something natural, something everyday, something you could wear to work. So I'm just going to start the second eye look. I'm going to remove the eye makeup. I'm going to try to leave the face makeup intact and see how that works. So I'm just going to prime my eyes again with the NARS concealer. Alright, let's see what we're going to do this time. So I'm going to go back in with Peach Dusk. I'm going to go into Hedonistic Rose. Blend it really well also. Very good color payoff. It's smooth, not patchy. Alright, now I'm going to take it down on my lid as well. I'm going to take it on the outside and the inside of my lid. Like that. And then I'm just going to go in the middle of that color with Golden Honey. I'm just going to spray my brush. Alright, so that's how we're looking. Just going to go back around and blend. And I'm going to go in my under eye with the Hedonistic Rose again. And then in my lower inner corner, I'm going to go in with Fuchsia Flame. I'm going to be wetting my brush. That. And then I'm going to do Pink Champagne in my inner corner. So that's the eyes. I'm going to curl my lashes and put on some mascara. Okay, so here's the second look using Pat McGrath's Rose Decadence palette. For this look, I use Pink Champagne in my inner corners. I use Peach Dust as my transition color. I use Hedonistic Rose in my crease and inner corner and outer corner. I use the Golden Honey in the middle. I use Pink Champagne, I think I said already, in my inner corner. And then I use Fuchsia Flame in the lower inner corner of my eyes. So that's this look. And then this is New Venus on my lips right now. I'm going to change it out since this is supposed to be the nighttime look. I'm going to change my lips to Bella Amore. And here's your evening look. So if you enjoyed the looks that I shared, give me a thumbs up and comment down below. Let me know which look that you like the best. Did you like the first one, the soft everyday look, or did you like the more flashy, smoky nighttime look? Put it down below and let me know which one you like the best. If you would take a look at the first video I made with the first Pat McGrath Mothership palettes, I did show you a couple of looks with that palette, and I'll just leave it up in the cards. So remember to like, comment, and subscribe on my video. Hit the notification bell so you won't miss any uploads. And as always, thank you for spending a part of your day with me, and I hope to see you in my next video.